Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today we are doing an update on my RollerCoin and buying some new miners. Let's click on our homepage and check our main room. As you can see, I have about 200 roller tokens, and I'm going to do some bargain hunting in the RollerCoin thrift store. First, let's check out the main store to see what power miners are available. The strongest miner is the rare alien miner, and it costs 489 roller tokens. That's a whopping 489 bucks. That means you will get 124 petahashes for that price. Let's see if we can get that amount of petahashes much cheaper. Select Marketplace on your dashboard and choose Buy. Next, sort the miners by roller token price. Then choose highest to lowest cost miner. Let's go through the list to see which miners give the most petahashes for the least roller tokens. The Pip Hamster looks good. You can get 40 petahashes for 179 roller tokens, but I think we can find better. I found one. The Unreal Mining Control gives you 31 petahashes for 100 tokens. That's a good deal. Let's go ahead and buy it. The reason I bought the Unreal Miner is because if you multiply 30 petahashes by 4, you get 120 petahashes for 400 roller tokens. That's basically 89 tokens cheaper than the rare alien miner for the same power. I'm saving 23 roller tokens by buying this miner. Next, do the same thing and use the rest of the tokens to buy another miner. Look for the cheapest miner with the most petahashes. Never buy a miner with terahashes because they have very little power. I'm buying the Nordic Horde miner for the same reason as the Unreal, good power to price ratio. Now that I bought these new miners, let's go back to the home page and auto set our room. Auto set will arrange your miners by power automatically. You should see my hash power jump almost 100 petahashes. As you can see, my Dogecoin mining power has almost doubled. Buying from the marketplace is 60% cheaper, if not more sometimes. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.